Welcome to T1 Academy. In our T1 Academy YouTube channel, we started RRB Group D previous year's question series, students. Okay, in this series, we majorly focus on the questions which was asked in the previous year's RRB Group D examinations. Okay, today we are going to discuss one more concept, that is time and work. So we will see the questions which was asked from the time and work concept in the RRB examinations. Okay, now directly we will move to the questions. See students, in this video we majorly focus on questions only. For the concepts related things and everything, we have a separate playlist for quant and reasoning separately. So please do watch that playlist so that you will understand the concept easily and in a better manner. Then you can solve these questions. Okay, now see here, A and B together can complete a work in 12 days. Okay, that means they are telling that A and B together can finish the job in 12 days. Okay, this is time. Next, A alone can complete it in 20 days. A alone can complete it in 20 days. If B does not work only if the first half of the day daily, then in how many days will A and B together complete the work? Okay, B is not working on the first half of the day daily. Then in how many days A and B together can complete the work? So this is the case, students. First of all, see here we have two times. So please do watch the concept video, students, for how we are finding the total work here. So total work is what for us here? LCM of given times. LCM of 12 and 20. What is the LCM of 12 and 20? 60. So here our total work will become 60. When it comes to the efficiencies will become what? Total work by time taken. So that means what will become? 60 by 12. So A and B combined efficiency is 5. Next, A's efficiency will become what? 60 by A is taking 20 days, so 3. So now please see here, students, A and B together efficiency is 5. A's efficiency is 3. That means what I can tell, what is the efficiency of B here? What is the efficiency of B here? Efficiency of B here is 5 minus 3. That is equal to 2. So here B's efficiency is 2. Efficiency of A and B together is 5. Efficiency of A is 3. Then obviously efficiency of B will become 2. Why? Because A plus B is this one, 5. Okay, now see here, students, but what they are actually saying here is A and B are not working completely. What they are telling, if B does not work only for the first half of the day daily, then in how many days will A and B together? That means B will work only for half day in a day. Okay, actually for a complete day B's efficiency is what? 2. For a complete day B's efficiency is 2. Then what will be B's efficiency for half day? B's efficiency will become what now? B's efficiency for half day. It becomes what for us? 1. Now combined efficiency, that means this half of days combinedly A and B's efficiency will become what? 3 plus 1. Why? Because B is only working for half day. So 4. With 4 efficiency, this 60 work will be done in how many days? So therefore, time taken is equal to total work by efficiency. So total work is what for us? 60 here, and their combined efficiency is 4. 4 ones, 4 15s. So that means working in this pattern, that means A will work complete day, but B will work only for half day. Working in that pattern, they can finish the job in 15 days. They can finish the job in 15 days. Understood? First we found the individual efficiencies of A and B. Once again I am repeating, students, please do watch the time and work videos. Then only you will understand why we are taking time and work as LCM and all these things. Okay, we have discussed in a detailed manner in that videos. So please do watch that one. Okay, next. A and B can do a work alone in 30 days and 40 days. Okay, A can do it in 30 days. B can do it in 40 days. Respectively, in how many days will they work will be completed if they work on alternate days starting with B on the first day. Okay, now they are working on alternate days. Who is starting the work? B is starting the work. So first of all, what is the total work here for us? LCM of 30 and 40. So what is the LCM of 30 and 40, students? It is 120. So the total work here is 120. Then if total work is 120, what about the efficiency of A? Total work by time taken. 120 by 30, his efficiency will become 4. And what is the efficiency of B? 120 by 40, it becomes what? 3 for us. So A's efficiency is 4, B's efficiency is 3. Now who is starting my work? That means what? On the first day who will work? B will work. Why? Because B is starting the work. On the second day who will work? A will work. On the third day who will work? Once again B. On the fourth day A. That means from this what I can tell, On odd days B will work and on even days A will work. Okay sir, good, super. Now together in 2 days, what is the work done in 2 days, students? What is the work done in 2 days? B will do 3 work in first day, A will do 4 work in the second day. So together they will do 7 work in 2 days. Together they do 7 work in 2 days. Now check what is the multiple of 7 which is slightly less than 120, students. What is the multiple of 7 which is less than 120? 7 17s, right? 119. That means to do 7 work, how many days it is taking? How many days it is taking? 2 days. To do 119 work, it will take 34 days. It will take 34. See here, students, very simple. So 7 into 17 work, that is equal to 119 work. This 7 work will be done in how many days? 2 days. So overall these days will become what? 2 into 17 in 34 days. That means in 34 days how much work will be done? 119 work will be done. 119 work will be done. And how much more work is left for me? Only 1 work is left for me. Out of 120, 119 is done. So our answer will be 34, and the 35th day, who will work on 35th day? Once again B will work. Why? Because B will work on odd days. So our answer will become 34 something. So 34 1 by 3 or 34 2 by 3, what will be our answer? B in 1 day it can do 3 work. In 1 day it can do 3 work. That is its efficiency. B's efficiency is 3, means in 1 day B can do 3 work. So here I don't require 3 work, I just require only 1 work. This 1 work can be done in how many days? When you send this 3 to the other side, it can be done in 1/3 of a day. It can be done in 1/3. That means my answer here will become 34 1 by 3 days. Our answer here becomes 34 1 by 3 days. That means the total work will be finished in 34 1 by 3 days. Okay, this is how. Here the major thing is, students, first thing, in 2 days how much work will be done. That is the first thing which you need to observe. And the second one is you should check the multiple of this combined work which is less than our total work. So 7's multiple which is immediately less than 120 is 119. 7 17s is 119. So that is the reason. Okay, and after taking that, 35th day who will work? Obviously A will work. Why? Sorry, B will work. Why? Because B is working on odd days and A is working on even days. Okay, right? Next one. Next, see here, A can do a piece of work in 15 days, B can do the same work in 20 days. Okay, A can do it in 15 days, B can do it in 20 days. The time taken by them working together to do the same work is simple question. A and B together. What is the total work here, students? LCM of 15 and 20 is 60. So what about their efficiencies? A's efficiency becomes 4, B's efficiency becomes 3. What is their combined efficiency? 4 plus 3 is 7. So time taken formula will become what? Total work by efficiency. Total work is 60 and efficiency means they need to work combinedly, right? So 60 by 7. 60 by 7 days. 60 by 7 days. So 60 by 7 means it will become what? 8 4 by 7 days. So our answer here becomes 8 4 by 7 days. 8 4 by 7 days. Okay, right? Next one. Pankaj can do 1/5 of a piece of work in 6 days. Okay. Now please see here, students. Pankaj, he can do how much? 1/5 of work in how many days? 6 days. He can do 1/5 of the work in 6 days. Then what about one complete work? When you send 1/5 to the other side, it will become what? 6 into 5 by 1. So that means he can do the complete work in 30 days. Pankaj can do the complete work in 30 days. I am sending 1 by 5 to the other side, it will become into 5 by 1, reverse, reciprocal. Next, Jagat can do 1/4 of the same work in 8 days. 1/4 in 8 days. So one complete work he can do in how many days? 8 into 4 by 1, that is equal to 32 days. He can do it in 32 days. Find the number of days taken to complete the work if both work together. Now both are working together, in how many days the work will be finished. First, in this type of question, please find out what is the total number of days in which they can finish the job. Okay, so time taken, Pankaj and Jagat. Pankaj 30 days and Jagat 32 days. Right? So total work will become what? LCM of 30 and 32. What is the LCM of 30 and 32, students? 15 into 16. What is 15 into 16? 240. And it will become what? 240 into 2, 480. 480 will be the LCM, students. 480 will be the LCM. Please find out. Obviously, we will get here 480 as the LCM. 480 as the LCM. Now see here, what is the efficiency now? Efficiency will become what for me here? 16:15. Efficiency will become 16. 480 by 30 it is 16. 480 by 32 it will become 15. Now they are working together. So what is their combined efficiency? Their combined efficiency is 31. Their combined efficiency is 31. So time taken will become what? 480 by 31. 480 by 31. Okay, anyway they are asking us round figure to one decimal, right? So please cancel it. 31 ones. 31 ones is 31. I will be left with what here, students? 170. 170. 31 5s is 155. 155. I will be left with what? 15. So point once again. 15 point. Please check 15 point. Next, what I will get here? Once again 150, right? 150. 150 means approximately 5, right? So my answer here becomes 15.5. Not exactly 5. Here 5 is shorted, but anyway they are asking us round figure value. So 15.5 will be our answer here. 15.5 will be our answer here. Understood? First please find out the complete time. I mean, what is the time taken to complete the complete work, and then try to solve the remaining things here, students. Understood? Right? Then we will see the next one. A and B can complete a piece of work in 10 days and 12 days respectively. If they work on alternate days beginning with A, then in how many days will the work be completed? Similar to our previous one, there B started the work, but here A is starting the work. See here, students, you can see the similarities. Okay, most of the questions will be in a repetitive manner only for us. So please concentrate, please try to solve, or at least listen all the previous year's questions. How they are getting the answers. Why? Because mostly the questions will be in a repetitive manner here in RRB examinations. So see here, A can do the job in how many days? 10 days. B can do it in how many days? 12 days. So total work will become what for us here? 60. So what happens to their efficiencies? First 6 and 5 will be their efficiencies. Okay. Now see here, how many days will the work will be completed? A is starting the work, right? Okay. So on the first day who will work? A works. In the second day who will work? B works. Once again on third day A. On fourth day B, like this, right? So that means the work for every 2 days will be constant. Yes, the work for every 2 days will be constant. So A's efficiency is 6, B's efficiency is 5. That means together in 2 days they can do 11 work. Please check what is the multiple of 11 less than 60. It is 55, right? So therefore 55 work will be done in how many days? Will be done in, actually 11 5s is 55, right? So 5 into 2. Why means 2 days work is 11, not 1 day work. So there you will get 10 days. Okay. Now on the 11th day who will work? On the 11th day once again A will work. But how much work is left for me? Just 5 work is left for me. But A can do 6 work in a day. Okay. In 1 day A can do 6 work. But I require only here 5 work. 5 work will be done in how much time? How much portion of a day? How much portion of a day? Please find it out. Cross multiply it. Assume it as x. You will get the answer as 5 by 6. 5 by 6. X value you will get here as 5 by 6. 5 by 6. So our answer will becomes 10 5 by 6 days. If A starts the work will be finished in 10 5 by 6. For example, same question. If B starts the work, in how many days the work would have finished? See, till 10 days, this story remains the same, but who will work on 11th day, that matters here. If B starts the work, 11th day will be worked by whom? B. B can do how much work in a day? 5, and I also require 5. So that means obviously my work will be finished in 11 days. If B starts the work, my work will be finished in 11 days. If A starts the work, my work will be finished in 10 5 by 6 days. 10 5 by 6 days. Okay, please observe this one, students. Next one. Devendra can complete a work in 20 days, okay, while Ishwar can complete the same work in 25 days, okay. 2 persons are there, Devendra in 20 days and Ishwar in 25 days, okay, nice, super, 20 days and 25 days. If they work alternately starting from Devendra, leaving 1 day each, then in how many days will the work be completed? Now see here, students. Devendra is starting the work. If they work alternately starting from there, Living 1 day each. Now tell me, what does it tells us? Living 1 day each means what, students? How many days the work will be completed? That is the question for me here. See, don't get confused what it is actually. See, first of all, please find what is the total work, students. Total work is LCM of 20 and 25. What is LCM of 20 and 25? 100. Okay, sir, nice. LCM of 10 and 20 is 100 for us here. LCM of 10 and 20 is 100. Devendra efficiency is 5. What is the efficiency of Ishwar? 4. 5 and 4. Okay, good, super. Now, please tell me, living 1 day each, what does it mean? You should understand this one. If they work alternately, okay, alternately starting from Devendra is starting. But this word is just given to confuse you, students. There is no logic or scope here. Actually speaking, this word living 1 day each means, here he used that word to confuse the students. What actually it is, 1 day Devendra will work. Obviously, the second day he will not work, right? The second day who will work? Ishwar will work. On third day, Ishwar will not work, and once again Devendra will come back. Living 1 day each means they are skipping one days. Alternately, they are working. He used another word just to confuse you, need not to worry. Similar, alternate case only. So, that means what does it tells us? First day who will work? Devendra. And second day who will work? Ishwar. Third day who will work? Devendra. Fourth, Ishwar. This is how they are working. Okay, as usual, in 2 days, how much work will be done? 9 work will be done. 5 plus 4, it is 9. So, what is the multiple of 9 which is less than 100, students? What is the multiple of 9 which is less than 100? 11, 99. 99. So, 99 work. Therefore, 99 work will be done in 9 11s is 99, right? So, 11 into 2, that is 22 days. In 22 days, 99 work will be done. In 22 days, 99 work will be done. Understood? Now, more how much work is left for me? 1. And on the 23rd day, who will work? On the 23rd day, who will work? Devendra will work. On the 23rd day. Why? Because Devendra is starting, right? But Devendra can do 5 work in a day. In 1 day, he can do 5 work. But how much work is required for me? Just 1 work. 1 work is enough so that my complete work will be finished. So, this 1 work can be done in 1/5 of a day. 1/5 of a day. So, our answer here becomes 22 1/5 days. Our answer here becomes 22 1/5 days. 22 1/5 days. See, students, don't living 1 day each means this is also nothing but the continuation for working alternately. This is also nothing but the continuation for working alternately. Don't think too much about these things. These are given just to confuse you. Okay, right? We will see the next one. Rita and Meena together can complete a work in 10 days, while Rita alone can complete the same work in 15 days. In how many days will Meena complete this work alone? Okay, now see here, 2 persons are there. Rita and Meena together can complete the work in how many days? 10 days. While Rita alone can do it in how many days? 15 days. In how many days Meena can do? This is the question for me. Okay, first total work, LCM of 10 and 15. What is the LCM of 10 and 15, students? It is 30. Right? So, what is these are times. What are their efficiencies? Rita and Meena together, it will become what? 3. 30 by 10. 30 by 10, that is equal to 3. And here 30 by 15, that is equal to 2. If together their combined efficiency is 3 and Rita's efficiency is 2, what about Meena's efficiency, students? It will become what? 1. 3 minus 2, it becomes 1. So, with 1 efficiency, 30 work will be done in what time? Time taken will become what for us here? 30 by 1. So, in 30 days, the work will be finished. The work will be finished in how many days? 30 days here. The work will be finished in 30 days here. Understood? Right? Next one. Rohan and Rohit together can finish a work in 10 days, while Rohan can do the same work in 15 days alone. Similar one, students. 10 and 15, similar. The last problem also the same thing. So, 30 days will be the answer. See, students, this was asked in 2018. This one was also asked in 2018. Even the complete 10, 15, 10 and 15. Complete question is the same. Just the dates are different. This was asked in 17th of September. This was asked on 30th of October. I think that year the examination was conducted almost for 2 months. So please observe these things, students. The students especially who are writing the examination little bit lately, they should please try to get the questions through any medium, through internet or whatever. At least try to see, observe what are the pattern of questions actually they are asking, and please focus little bit more on those patterns. Why? Because mostly it will be replicated. So please keep this thing in your mind, students, everyone. Okay, right? Next one. P and Q together can finish a work in 6 days. Okay, P and Q together. Q alone can do it in 10 days. Okay, P and Q together can do it in 6 days. Q alone can do it in 10 days. This one is also the same, just the numbers are changed and everything remains same. So total work will become what? What is the LCM of 6 and 10? It is 30. So efficiencies will become 5 and 3. Then what is the efficiency of P? It will become 2. So P alone can do the same work in 30 by 2. It will become what? 15 days. So P alone can do it in how many days? 15 days. 15 days. Right? Understood? Right? We will see the next one. A, B and C can do a piece of work in 20, 30 and 60 days respectively. In how many days can A complete the work if he is assisted by B and C on every third day? Every third day B and C are assisting him. So first of all, A, B and C, 20, 30 and 60. 20, 30 and 60. My total work here will become what? LCM of whatever the times they give you, you can take that LCM, 20, 30 and 60. What is the LCM of 20, 30 and 60, students? It is 60 itself. Okay. Now, these are the times. When it comes to their efficiencies, efficiency of A will become what? 3. Efficiency of B will become what? 2. 60 by 23, 60 by 32, 60 by 61. C's efficiency is 1. Now, how the pattern of work is running, students? On first day, A will work. On second day, A will work. But on third day, all the 3 will work. A, B and C is going to assist A. B and C is going to assist A on every third day. That means, once again, on the 4th day, who will work? A will work. 5th day, who will work? A works. And on 6th, who will work? A, B, C together works. So this is how. That means, in our earlier problems, we have taken the constant work for 2 days. But here we should take the time duration for 3 days. In 3 days, how much work will be done? On first day, A will do 3 work. On second day, A will do 3 work. And on the third day, all the 3 together, how much work they can do? 6. That means combinedly on 3 days, how much work will be done, students? 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 6, 12. So what is the multiple of 12 which is nearer to 60? Obviously, it is 60 only. So 12 5s are 60, right? Okay. So that means for 12 work, how many days it is taking? 3 days into 5. So that means our answer here becomes 15 days. That means the work will be done in how many days? The work will be done in 15 days. 15 days, 1-5. The work will be done in 15 days. If they work in this pattern, the work will be done in 15 days. See here, students, once again. Sir, why you are multiplying 3 into 5 means to do 12 work, it is going to take 3 days. So that is the reason 3 into 5. Luckily here 60 is a multiple of our total 12. So that is the reason easily we got the answer. If not, we would have checked the multiple of 12 which is less than that 60 and all these things we would have done. How we have done in our earlier cases. Okay, right? Next one. Meenu alone can, see this is alone. Meenu alone can do a work in 16 days. Simi alone can do it in 12 days. If Raj joins them, they 3 together can complete the work in 4 days. How long did Raj alone? Okay. Now see here, students, here 3 categories are given. Meenu alone can do the work in how many days? 16 days. Simi alone can do the work in 12 days. And Raj joins them, they 3 together can complete the work in how many days? 4 days. That means Meenu, Simi and Raj, all the 3 together can do it in how many days? 4 days. 4 days. And they are asking us how long Raj alone can finish the work. So total work will become what? LCM of 16, 12 and 4. What is the LCM of 16, 12 and 4, students? Forget about 4. Why? Because 4 is a factor of 16 and 12 both together combinedly. So need not to worry about that one. Okay. 16 and 12. What is the LCM for us? 48. 48 is the LCM for 16 and 12. So Now tell me what are their efficiencies. Efficiency of Minu. Minu will become what? 3. Efficiency of Simi becomes 4. Efficiency of all the 3 together is what? 12 for us here. 48 by 4 it is 12. Now see here, these two persons efficiencies are 3 and 4. What about Raj's efficiency now? What about Raj's efficiency? 12 minus 3 plus 4. That will become what? 7. Raj's efficiency is 7. With 7 efficiency, in how many days he can finish the job? 5 efficiency, in how many days he can finish the job? 48 by 5 days. He can finish the job in 48 by 5 days here. You can finish the job in 48 by 5 days. Okay, right? Next one. P, Q and R can do a piece of work in 9 days, 18 days and 12 days respectively. They start the work with P working on day 1, Q working on day 2 and R on day 3 and then continuing with the same cycle with the, in how many days the work will be completed in this manner. In how many days the work will be finished in this same manner. See similar question students. P, Q and R, 9, 18 and 12. So what is the total work? LCM of these 3. LCM of these 3 is what? 36. 36. Okay, so what about their efficiency students? Efficiency of P will become what? 4. Efficiency of Q becomes 2. Efficiency of R becomes 3. Right? On first day who will work? P. Q on second day. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, like this. P, Q, R, P, Q, R. It is like a repetitive manner, right? So P can do 4 plus 2 plus 3. In 3 days, how much work will be done, students? In 3 days, 9 work will be done. In 3 days, 9 work. So total work is what? 36. Luckily, 36 is a multiple of 9. 9 4s are 36, right? So our answer here becomes 4 into 3. That is equal to 12 days. That means the work will be finished in how many days? 12 days. Sir, why 4 into 3? 9 into 4 is 36. Put that 4. This 4 is that 9 into 4. And this 3 is, in 3 days the work done is 9. 9 work will be done in 3 days. That is the reason 4 into 3, 12 days. 12 days. In 12 days, my work will be done. These are the questions from time and work. In our next video, we will see one more concept and we will discuss the question from that area. Thank you very much.